Hi friends, Namaskar. I am Gutu Sharma welcomes you to the Future Pro YouTube channel. In my initial video, I had informed you that through this channel we will discuss three aspects of our life. Number one, the career counseling for the children, art of well-being for all of us, astrology and Vastu for those who are interested in these fields. In the series of the well-being, this is the first video. Before proceeding ahead, I request you to see the videos, like them, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that as soon as any video is launched, you get the information immediately and you don't miss the video of your area of interest. Well-being. What does it mean? Well-being means when a person is healthy at both the levels of the body. Number one, the physical one, and another is the mental. When a person is healthy at both the levels, only in that case he can be said to be in healthy state. With the development of the in the society, industrial development and other things, a different kind of the problems arise in a human body, which we keep in a category of the modern lifestyle diseases, because we are getting away from the society, nature. More we are getting away from the nature, we are not feeling well. Many times we buy the diseases. Like we smoke, we buy a cigarette and we invite cancer. We buy the tobacco, we chew it and we are inviting a cancer. So, to be healthy, we have to more close to the nature. When we say the close to the nature, it doesn't mean that you come to the forest, you go to the hill station, you go to any place for the peace or other thing. It can be done at your home also. Just make little changes in your lifestyle. A little change can set you in a state of the well-being. As we are know that the therapies available in the society, these are not meant for the well-being. These are meant for the cure of the diseases which arise in the body. With this statement, I don't deny the importance of those therapies. They are important at their point. But my question is, why to be in a state we should use those therapies? We may not use them. We may not require them if we make a little changes in our lifestyle. Because if you see that there are different way of diagnosing the diseases. For example, allopathy says virus or bacteria is the cause of the disease. Allopathic says Vat, Pitta, Kapha is a reason of the disease. In naturopathy, we say the great 5 elements. What are those? The sky, the air, the fire, the water and the earth. We are made up of these 5 elements. And whenever these 5 elements are disturbed, the equilibrium is disturbed, we fell ill. And just set right this equilibrium, the body is again in the state of the well-being. In my next video, we will discuss about these 5 great elements. By the time, stay healthy. Thank you very much for watching.